So we're here in Yokohama over at some cool cars that are here.
Otaku Dad, so jealous.
What? Man. It's Toyota. It's a 2000 GT. Super awesome. Yeah, they probably would. Wow. This is amazing. Got a couple. One of my favorite cars. This is a Skyline right here. This is an old school Skyline 2000 GTR. Wow. Super amazing. Whoa. Wish I could get it, pop open the hood and show everybody. Wow. Super awesome. And right here is the gem of all gems, the S40 Cobra. Whoa. This thing is amazing. Holy smokes. Look at the detail on this car. Wow. This is just super awesome. Man. I don't know who restored this, but good gracious.